Today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject lesson 3 light. In last class we have studied about plane mirrors and curved mirrors. The curved mirrors, they have 4 types: spherical mirrors, elliptical mirrors and cylindrical mirrors and parabolic mirrors. Today let us see about the new topic, the terms related to spherical mirrors. In the spherical mirrors they have 2 terms, concave mirrors and then convex mirrors. Let us see the terms related to spherical mirrors. The first one, center of curvature. Center of curvature. The center of the sphere of the concave mirror and then convex mirror. Let us see the topic, the terms related to spherical mirrors, the concave mirror and then convex mirrors. The first one, center of curvature. The center of sphere in the concave and then convex mirror from which the mirror is made. So it is a center point C. This is a center of curvature in this concave and then convex mirror. This is the first term. Second one, pole. The pole is a geometric center of reflecting surface of the spherical mirror. It is denoted the letter P. It is denoted the letter P. This is a P. What is the pole? Geometric center of reflecting surface of the spherical mirror. So it is denoted the letter pole P. Then third one, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. In this the radius of curvature means the distance between the center of the sphere and then vertex. This is the center of the curvature and then this is the vertex, means pole. This place is known as radius of curvature. Once again, the radius of curvature means the distance between the center of the sphere and then vertex. This place is known as radius of curvature R. This place is also known as radius of curvature R. Next term, principal axis. The line joining the pole of the mirror and the center of curvature. This line is also known as principal axis. Once again, the principal axis means the line joining the pole of the mirror and then center of the curvature. This line is also known as principal axis. Principal axis. Next one, focus. Next term, focus. That means principal focus. Principal focus. When a beam of light is incident on a spherical mirror, the reflected ray converge. That means concave mirror or appear to diverge of the convex mirror at the point of principal axis. This is the principal axis. In this principal axis, when a beam of light is incident on a spherical mirror, the reflected ray is a converge of the medium is called as concave mirror and the diverge of the medium is called as convex mirror. This is called as focus. Focus is other name, principal focus. In this principal focus is a letter denoted to capital F. Capital F. Next one, focal length. Next one, focal length. Focal length, the distance between the pole and then principal focus is called as focal length F. Then focal length means the distance between the pole and then principal focus. It is called as focal length small f. The spherical mirror, the first term center of curvature, the letter C. This is the center of curvature, letter denoted C. Next one, pole. This is the letter denoted P. Then third term, radius of curvature. Then letter denoted capital R. The radius of curvature means the center of curvature, then distance between pole is called as radius of curvature R. The next term, principal axis. The next term, focus. That means the other name, principal focus. The letter denoted capital F. Next term, focal length. The focal length is the letter denoted small f. Relation between the focal length of the spherical mirror and its radius of curvature. The focal length is half of the radius of the curvature. So focal length f is equal to radius of curvature r by 2. Once again, the terms related to spherical mirrors. The first term, center of curvature. This is a concave mirror. This is center of mirror is C. The letter denoted C. Second term, pole. Pole is the geometric center of the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror. The letter denoted P. Third term, radius of curvature. The distance between the center of curvature and the pole. This is known as radius of curvature, capital R. Then fourth term, principal axis. The line joining the pole of the center of curvature. This line is also known as principal axis. The next term, focus. Is other name, principal focus, capital F. So, in the principal focus means when a beam of light is an incident on the spherical mirror, the reflected rays converge of the concave mirror and then diverge of the convex mirror. This is point also known as focus or principal focus, capital F. The next term, focal length, small f. I do one problem. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 cm. Find the focal length. What's the radius of curvature? R is equal to 20 cm. Find the focal length value. What's the formula? Find focal length. F is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2 is equal to 20 centimeter by 2. What's the focal length value? F is equal to 10 centimeter. What's the focal length value? F is equal to 10 centimeter.
Students, hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.